Hello everybody, I wanted to do a little video here on sort of a toilet repair. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen the tanks where they have spaces in between the walls here. What can happen is when people lean back on them, it can break the tank down below where the bolts hold them. And it can cause a leak or a really big mess, and you end up replacing the tank or the whole toilet. But there's a product out called the TankTruss, which is a great little product. I've got two on here already. It comes in a set, has two pieces in it. I'll open this one, show you kind of how you do them. And the good thing is they're made in the USA, so that's a plus. They run around $10 a pack. And if I can get them open here. Has the directions on the back how to do them. It's pretty simple. All you need is a pencil or a marker and a good Stanley knife. But what you do is you'll take this here part, put this back against the wall. This will fill in at least up to a 3-inch space, so if your toilet's further than that away from the wall, you'll have to go some other route with it. But you just take this, put it against the wall, and there's little lines all the way up through it. Take and mark it with the back of your tank so it's on the line here. And you just take your knife and you can cut it down through this here part, and the rest will just snap and break off. And you slide it into the back of these, and it goes down on your tank like that. I'll show you on these ones I already got done. But as you can see, I cut this one off. It's maybe 1 inch. But you just slide them back into that. Stick this down on your tank like so. And it keeps it from moving back and forth against the wall and breaking. But that's all there is to it. You should be able to get these at probably any of your local hardwares or somewhere. If not, you can go online and order them. Like I said, they're around $10, but it'll save a costly repair on a toilet. So don't forget to like my videos, comment down below, and subscribe, and have a good day, everybody. Bye.